gonna cut the fire.
Whoa, out the window. That's like the big cojones,
Where's your training? You missing out on all this?
Oh well.
This is action right here.
The first time.
This is the second time. The last time was over here. This is the second time. I wasn't gonna go there and be no hero with a fire extinguisher.
No, yeah, that was blazing good.
I was like, hey.
The people up here are getting a good view.
Yeah. Oh, they're like, oh, get those people out of that. Girl's trying to direct traffic.